then I was like, why are you making that noise? I'm sitting right here next to you. And then he gonna do his lip again. You know how he do when he about to cry? And then he gonna say, Ma! I was like, okay.
Babe, where your lunch pill at?
Where my slippers at? He probably left it in the car. Mama, Mama.
That's crazy. Babe, where your lunch pill at?
Trying to hot water on.
That shit crazy.
Babe,
That shit crazy.
babe,
What?
you didn't even pay attention, huh?
Pay attention to what?
You didn't even notice, huh?
And what?
You didn't even look for her.
Look for who?
Brooklyn is gone.
Go where?
You didn't tell her this show? I didn't mean to. Why you looking at me like that? She let the dogs out. But it came back when Brooklyn did. And I think somebody snatched her.
Snatched in Brooklyn?
Yeah. So then when I came, I had went to bed and she had let them out. And then I came in here and then she wasn't in here. And I said, where's the dogs? You still left them outside? And she said, Mama, I got something to tell you. She let somebody take my dog.
Well, they gonna give her back.
But she didn't even go get her. She didn't even go look for her.
Shame on you, princess. Now you gotta buy your mama another dog. Soon you get your tax money, you gotta buy her your mama another dog. And then you gotta put out a reward too at the same time.
You didn't even know that she wasn't here.
I thought she might have been in the room, princess room or something.
You don't even care.
I do care. That's my dog too.
My feelings is hurt.
Brooklyn.
What are you laughing for? Because you knew all that crying. You was doing all that crying last night. I did cry. It's not funny. You didn't even want to take care of her. I would pick you up. I did want to take care of her. You better go fuck off. You didn't even take her. You wouldn't even take her outside. Stop! Yes, I do.
You didn't even hold her unless she had a bag, unless I gave her a bag.
No, I didn't hold her after your baby came, but
Stop hitting
I took
on
her in the car with me.
Dad, get
and
your
Daddy didn't
wife.
know I took her in the car with me. I always take her. That's why she had clothes on when Daddy and you came home. Cause I love her. That's my little fat mama.
You got butter up there in old Brooklyn. Get you over there in the corner. Looking at me.
You almost believe this, huh? You almost believed us, huh?
Yeah, I was
Said, where the camera at?
I started crying. That's what made you believe, huh?
yeah, I was like, yeah.
He like, they really
It's still
crying.
going on. I'm like, hey, let my dog go.
Y'all, I started crying. I started crying. I made myself cry. I was like, I didn't mean to do this. That was a good prank.
Yeah. Can't play around with the Brooklyn, man.
Can't play with Brooklyn.
We got you, baby. We got you.
Yeah. I look at me, and she can't even see nothing. All that fur all over her eyes.
I'm a cutter.
Y'all
All
made
right.
it sound right. Now you gonna be investigated. Like you gonna cut her.
Cut her first, silly.
All right, so I was crying. I started mean. I came in here and got a cookie. I was like, shit, he gonna come in here and be like, oh, you cried, but you want to eat a cookie? And that's the end of this video, you guys. We got him. But then he went in my room and was like, she ain't here in this corner. So, but it was a good video. All right, bye, you guys.